Master Paint System MPS Disposable Paint Spray Gun Cup Liners and Lid System. 50-pack mini size 6-ounce, 180 milliliters, kit 50 cup liners, 50 lids with strainer, 1 hard cup with retainer ring and 20 plugs. MPS Master Paint System Disposable Paint Spray Gun Cup Liners and Lid System. 50-pack mini size 6-ounce, 180 milliliters, kit. Kit includes 50 cup liners with a 6-ounce, 180 milliliters, fluid capacity, 50 lids with built-in 125 micron fluid strainers, 1 hard cup with retainer ring and 20 cup sealing plugs. The MPS Disposable Spray Gun Cup System's outer hard cup connectors are compatible to work with and twist lock onto all original styles of 3 MPS Legacy Series spray gun adapters. MPS cannot be used with the new 3 MPS 2.0 series spray gun adapters. Master Pro 44 Series HVLP spray gun models require the MAS MPS-881 spray gun adapter. The proper adapter will allow you to use the MPS disposable cup system with almost any brand of spray guns. Master Spray Guns, MPS disposable cup system works excellent with all types of paints, primers, epoxies, and commercial coatings. Use the cup system with automotive paint base coats, clear coats, top coats, and primers, as well as with stains, sealers, gel coats, varnishes, urethanes, enamels, and lacquers. Dramatically increase your spraying efficiency and overall productivity by saving time, labor, waste, and money by using the MPS disposable cup system. Reduce your paint material waste and cleaning solvent waste, while at the same time eliminating the cost and labor associated with cleaning traditional metal gun cups and the need for mixing cups and paint cans. Everything you need to achieve incredibly fast and professional paint finishing results. All components of the professional MPS disposable cup systems are available both individually and in sets and kits. Click the link in the description to get this product.